am here for one of the most exciting tours around here. I've come with Phuket Sail Tours today and we are having a beautiful trip over here.
Looking for the next thing, I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But
We're gonna go to James Bond Island and we're gonna go to Kofanyak and some other caves over there.
you came around. No, I won't never let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough.
We have made our way to this island called Kofanyak.
They jump up in the air, do a backflip, and they roll over and flash their white bellies.
The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go.
That beside is the James Bond Island, the island that you saw in the James Bond movie.
You're never alone, you're never alone. The sun will shine.
This is a sunset sailing tour, so you will get to see the sunset in this and it's a really beautiful experience.
How can I picture my life being without you? You're the center of my life.
Today I'm going on a tour. The Phi Phi Island and we're gonna go and see some really beautiful places over there like Maya Bay, and we'll do snorkeling, some activities. So now we have come to the famous Maya Bay and this is around 1 hour away from ferry and it's a very beautiful place and great for taking photographs. Hello, Mark. Do you like this? Do you like the Maya Bay?
Oh, it's a beautiful spot, especially now without so many people.
A lot of Indians already here. Oh, I can already see a lot of Indians. I will give you the link to the amazing tour that this is. It's in the description, so go check it out.